EHR documentation is still a time constraint. Even with AI, clinicians are stuck editing, clicking, and cleaning up messy notes, and it's costly. ZyDoc pairs advanced AI with trained medical language specialists, real humans who understand your specialty. Together, ZyDoc turns your dictation into flawless notes, fast. With ZyDoc, notes are inserted directly into the correct EHR sections instantly. No templates, no copy and paste, no clicking around. In a landmark Columbia University National Institutes of Health study, ZyDoc users documented 61% faster, with an estimated 10% increase in patient volume. Faster documentation means more patient visits, fewer denials, and serious revenue uplift. Over $130,000 per clinician every year, without changing workflow, without hiring staff. ZyDoc integrates into your patient workflow with no new hardware, no training, and setup in minutes. ZyDoc, powered by AI, perfected by experts. Dictate. We do the rest.